Hello, good morning. Kekunumere. I hope everyone is doing good this morning. Okay, we're going to look at mbuzo today. Mbuzo means preposition. Okay, we're not going to go ahead to define preposition. We already know that it's used to talk about a place where something happened, where something is. So let's go straight to the examples. We have nelu, on top, nala, on the floor or on the ground, n'okpuru, under, n'azụ, behind or at the back, n'ihu, in front, na mmiri, in or inside water, that is, could be in water or inside water, n'ụzọ, on the road, n'ụlọ, at home, n'akụkụ, beside or by the side, n'etiti, in the middle or at the center, n'ime, inside, n'Asaba, at Asaba or in Asaba. I used Asaba here to represent other places. It could be anywhere, n'Enugu, n'Abuja, n'Amerika, na ShopRite, na Gabs, na Chicken Republic, depending on where you're making reference to. Okay, so let's go and make sentences. Now, before we make the sentences, take notes. While making sentences with prepositions in Igbo, is means the, if we are referring to objects. But if we are referring to humans or animals, is means no. This is very important because most times people make mistake while making sentences with preposition. Now let's say a few sentences. Nno n'ime ụgbọala. See, nno n'ime ụgbọala. I am in the car, or I am inside the car. So you see, I use no because I'm making reference to a human being, which is I. Nno. You cannot say ndi. That's wrong. Nno n'ime ụgbọala. Ọ nọ n'Asaba. Ọ nọ n'Asaba. He is in Asaba, or she is in Asaba. Okay? The same. Then I used no because I'm making reference to a human being. Okay? Akwụkwọ ahụ dị n'elu oche. Akwụkwọ ahụ dị n'elu oche. The book is on the chair. You see what I'm talking about here? Akwụkwọ is an object, so I used the. Akpa m dị n'ala. Akpa m dị n'ala. My bag is on the floor. My bag is on the floor. Akpa is an object, so I used the. Ha nọ n'okpuru tebụl ahụ. Ha nọ n'okpuru tebụl ahụ. They are under the table. They are under the table. Ha here means, maybe animals or human beings. That's why we use no. Okay? Anyị nọ n'azụ ụgbọala ahụ. Anyị nọ n'azụ ụgbọala ahụ. We are behind the vehicle. We are behind the vehicle. So anyị here is referring to human beings. Okay? Ụmụaka nọ n'ihu ụlọ. Ụmụaka nọ n'ihu ụlọ. The children are in front of the house. Efere ahụ dị na mmiri. Efere ahụ dị na mmiri. The plate is in the water. The plate is in the water. Okay, so you're going to try this by yourself. N'etiti, n'akụkụ, n'ụlọ, n'ụzọ. Use them to make sentences. And I always advise, don't just make the sentence, practice them. The more you practice, the more you learn Igbo language.